In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change details in Agile CRM. We'll walk through how to update your personal profile information so your account always reflects your most current details. This includes things like your name, phone number, time zone, and your password. Keeping these up to date not only helps your teammates recognize you, but also ensures notifications and time-based automations work correctly for your location. First, make sure you're logged into your Agile CRM account and you're on any main screen, such as your dashboard. Look toward the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see your user icon. This might appear as your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user symbol, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that user icon. When you do, a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select the option labeled Profile. Go ahead and click Profile, and Agile CRM will take you to your personal profile page. This is where all your individual user details are stored. On the profile page, find the button that says Edit Profile. It's usually near your name or in the upper area of the profile section. Click Edit Profile to unlock the fields so you can make changes. Now you'll see several fields you can update. You can change your name to match your preferred display name, adjust your phone number if you've recently changed it, and select the correct time zone from the available list. Choosing the right time zone is particularly important for scheduling emails, tasks, and follow-ups so that everything aligns with your local time. You'll also have the option to update your password here. If you decide to change it, choose something strong and unique that you don't use on other sites. This is a good habit for keeping your account secure. Just remember that after changing your password, you'll need to use the new one the next time you log in. Take a moment to double-check all the information you've edited. Make sure your name is spelled correctly, your phone number is accurate, and your time zone is set to the right region. Once you're happy with your changes, scroll to the bottom or look for the Save button on the profile page. Click Save to apply your updates. Agile CRM will store your new details, and they should take effect immediately. That's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your personal profile details in Agile CRM.